Covered my ass.
We are in Texas. Oh wait, no, we're not in Texas. We're in Hawaii. Look at this rooster. Hello, rooster. We're at a vegan restaurant. Look at this. Waiting for my pina colada bowl and a Thai iced tea. Healthy. Look at that. Russell's healthy. There's my mother. There's a bookstore. Look at this. There's a bookstore right here. This is like my area. A vegan place and a bookstore. Do you see that, Mom? A bookstore. It's pretty cool. See the mountains back there? You can probably barely see them. But look at all this greenery. Hi.
Pretty.
I like this rooster. There's another one.
You and Rooster.
Stop. Oh, I know. I've been attacked before.
You know, I kind of like it with the two tones here. I
I know.
the purple and the brown.
I do too, actually.
Decide what to do.
What? Gosh. Look, and I even got some on my
There's
teeth.
even more. Hold on, let me switch it over.
Okay. Is there really? How short it is.
I love it though.
Ooh.
It's so cute. I didn't know you were going that short.
I didn't
think
either,
it's
but
adorable. It's gonna be so easy,
it will be.
especially for the.
Want to say hi to the YouTube?
All right, there's your Muppet right there.
Here we go.
Do we need a quarter for reference or a clip for reference?
That's
So that
wow.
way the hairstylists know how much hair that is.
Jeez. That's a lot of hair.
They're gonna think that I left the clip on the floor. Let's just put it right there. Don't let the trolls come for me.
Pretty cool.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bright.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing today? That's a good question. I need to rest a little bit. I'm a bit on the tired side.
I
I'm
am
not sleeping well. But we can go to the beach. We can come back over to this town. We can take him to Poipu instead.
I would love to go to the beach later.
Okay. Well, let's go.
Or just to do something. I want to get in the water.
We'll definitely go to the beach today. Sound good?
Mm-hmm. Could you imagine having this short of hair?
Sure. Sure I could. I love it on you. I would wear that in a heartbeat if I didn't
would?
be always wanting me to have long hair. Oh, yeah.
I look older, I bet, huh?
You look very mature. Oh, wait.
I don't even have any makeup on. I'm posting this on YouTube, so everything we're saying.
What?
Well, I can crop it out,
Okay.
but I'm not going to. This is real life, mother. Say hello. Just got my hair done.
Brandy got her hair done.
I look way
Love
different.
Look at these trees.
Look, isn't it pretty?
Those leaves are pretty.
So kind of
hanging off of them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very cool.
It's pretty long too.
Enjoy it while we can, people. This ocean. One day it will be disgusting. One day, baby. One day, baby. This is what Johnny just made, but we have to leave. He did really good for what time we had.
I tried one of those at the lake.
Did you?
They're hard.
Touch him. My God, it could hurt you.
Those are huge.
My God. Yeah.
It's freaky. Guys are so fun.
Oh no.
Fine. Look at my coconut, YouTube. There's my mom. Say hi, mother dear.
Hi, Dr. Taylor.
Well, no, I'm talking to YouTube.
Oh.
Say hi to YouTube. This is for YouTube.
Hi, too.
That's how, remember.
I'm from Kauai.
Do you want to shout anything out like Dad did in the last video?
He's like, this
Come.
is Luke too. Best oil changes ever.
Yeah, it's funny. It's okay, I can edit it out. So you want to say anything?
Aloha! So happy Brandy and Johnny are here. It's beautiful and sunny.
I love you. What about you? You got anything to say?
It's
Just,
great.
I love Brandy.
I love you, Brandy.
Oh, I love you, Johnny.
Oh.
Oh. Mwah. Over on this light. I just got it on recording. Right here. This lizard is funny. He keeps doing this head thing. Oh, he moved.
I told you to get really friendly sometimes, like when I'm doing stuff. I'm like, wow, you're like really friendly.
They were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. The tides are changing.
Oh no, are you okay, Mom? Mom, are you okay? Mom, are you okay? Are you, Mom? You guys, it's alive. Look at it. No, don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. Don't hurt it. Hi, little guy. Hello. Oh my God. That scared me. Hello, little guy. You are so.
You gotta put your foot near it to move it.
I don't want to move. Ah!
There you go.
Oh my God. Okay, I'm good. Getting a video of the pool. I look crazy. Okay. Yeah. Looks pretty.
Look, yeah. Look, there's a rooster right here.
Rooster! There he is. Hi, Rooster. There's a couple.
Look, he's picking it up.
We don't have this in Texas, Mom.
Look at these big leaves. We got one in the holes.
You're gonna miss this, aren't you? Well, then you'll probably want to watch the video. Say hi. Hi again. Here's Johnny boy. I love those trees over there, you guys. You see those?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Are we like by a forest?
That's a hill that we're parked next.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's just tons of trees up there.
Got all these different little. Those are fish. It's cool. I mean, those are whatever those are. What are the? Oh, dragons. That's like a dragon, I think. Pretty cool. Okay. This is what we're about to have. You excited? Oh, look, there's a little baby chicken. Look at it run. There's the big chicken. What are you doing?
Hey.
What? Oh, is there? Oh my gosh, there's one right there.
Little baby, look.
Oh my goodness! Hi, babies.
He comes to me, look.
Look, Mom.
Yeah, I see him.
Aww. And then there's a rooster. Is that the daddy? What if that's the dad? They're just a bit, yeah. Look, there's more chickens. I love how many there are here. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hey, babies. They know I'm friendly and I'm not going to eat them. Which is what I'm eating. What is this? Yellow curry with tofu, potatoes, rice. Very good. Love it. That's so cute. It's just chilling. It's literally just laying down. Aww. Yep, he's laying. He's hot. It's like
guys,
going to sleep.
Oh, hi, little guy.
Hello, everyone. So, I'm out back right now at my mom's house, so you can see it if you want, which I've already showed you multiple clips of it. But I want to tell you guys what we are doing today. So, I'm trying to get better lighting, and hopefully so it's not too loud. So today we are going on a helicopter ride and I'm very scared. I'm just scared, okay? This island has like the most crashes for helicopters, but Johnny and my mom really want to do it, so we're doing it. And I'm scared, and I'm obviously going to insert some clips and stuff, and we still have like 4 more days here. We've been here about 4 days. I'm not recording much of it because it would be a really long vlog, but I want to show you guys these fun things we do. And then tomorrow we're going ziplining, so I'll also show you guys that. But I'm excited to show you guys this helicopter. I'm just scared and I don't want to die. So hopefully you see this video because I don't think I'll die. And also there's a dead lizard in the pool, so I'm going to show you that because I'm sad about the dead lizards. And also my hair is not styled right now or anything. And oh shit, I just fell. And it's super short, so don't judge it, okay? I don't hate it, actually. I hated it at first, but now I don't hate it that much. It's just really short and it looks cute with a hat, but it's not styled and it could be cuter if I actually put some effort into it. I just didn't feel like it today. So let me show you this lizard. Look at him. That's him right there in the bottom of the pool. He's dead. I'm sad. Poor little lizard. My mom saves a bunch of them here because they always are close to the pool, but she saved one today and she thinks it's probably the same lizard because he probably came back, so. But yeah, this is her house she's selling. This is the back yard, obviously, so. I'll show you guys more later. I swear that Dramamine made me very nauseous and our car ride because my mom's back seats do not go back. Here's Johnny. Oh, here's the helicopters. You can see them. Those aren't the ones we're going on though, I don't think. Or maybe they are, I don't know. I'm tired, I have no makeup on, and I feel sick. And I'm not excited.
Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Don't know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my goodbye for.
Say hello, Mom. What are we doing? Say what are we doing?
Say what we're doing?
Yeah,
we're
what-
zip lining in Kauai.
There you go.
I don't know which one we're about to go on, but look at the view we have. Say that again.
We're in Kauai zip lining. We're going over water on number 8.
Oh, is this?
Number 8?
I thought we
We're
were
doing
doing
number 7, and then number 8 will go over water. It's my understanding. The last one's over water. It's a half a mile long.
Okay. It'll be fun. Cool. We are having drinks and food. Woo! He's so cute. He's moving a little. That's adorable.
Yeah. You'll see it. It's big letters. Is that further? Right here. Wait, is this it? Yeah, aloha.
There it is.
Oh, that was cool.
Foxy! Hey, Foxy! Foxy! Get your toy! Get your toy! Oh, that's so cute! I haven't seen her do that yet. Where are you going? What are you doing? Foxy, what are you doing? Does she not like this one?
Yeah, but not as much as the other.
Foxy, do you want your toy? Come here. She's been playing with me, or playing with her toy. I got it on her. And we have to climb back. Look at that. What is that, a dog? There's a dog over there. What is that?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, it is a dog.
Hey, dude. I got that while I've been
There's
recording.
another one.
Where?
Right behind it.
There's another one? I just see the one. The light colored one.
Oh, look, right there.
Oh, whoa. Do they have owners?
I don't know.
That's
I
weird.
guess they went ahead of the owner.
It's a pretty place, huh? People are up there watching us. Trying to, probably. I can't see them very well. Oh, they can't see this point. They see over there, though. It's pretty cool. I love it. Second time coming down here. That's so funny.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all.
We are leaving Hawaii today, and I'm so sad. I'm recording this really quickly. I have this huge pimple. Look at this, you guys. What the fuck? I usually get better skin here, not worse, but I did that to myself by accident, so it's fine. I just got super dirty. You can't tell probably, but maybe you can't. Yeah. So I'm about to go take a shower, but this is our last day, and we're leaving at like 9 something in the nighttime. This looks like a cyst, but it's not a cyst. So yeah, we're gonna head out. I got pretty good sun, and I'm gonna insert some pictures after this so you guys can see what we did. And that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna show anything more because this is probably already quite a long video because we've been here for 8 days. So, back to the grind once I get home. But here are some pictures of our trip.
All the bricks that I own and know, I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down.
Oh really? You did got a video?
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of just the time. Father.
Foxy! Hey, Foxy! Get your toy! Oh, that's so cute! I haven't seen her do that yet. Where are you going? What are you doing? Foxy, what are you doing? Does she not like this one?
Yeah, but not as much as the other.
Foxy, do you want your toy? Come here! She's been playing with me, or playing with her toy. I got it on her.
So I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Where